Hey everyone, so as promised, we did have the iPhone 17 Pro unboxing in the silver model, and now we have the orange model that we're going to unbox here. So again, we'll compare the two colors too. Let's go ahead and just open this up. Again, these two come with the same items or accessories. Okay, so here's the phone itself. Got your cable, and that's it pretty much. So color wise, the orange is pretty bright, and it's got a little bit less of a color shift on the back panel compared to the silver model. Still some color variance there to where the logo disappears. And then if we compare that to the silver, the back on the silver actually looks pretty much white under some angles, which is odd. You can see it looks pretty light there compared to the rest of the phone. It really doesn't go dark when you rotate it with the light. So it's a lot lighter compared to the rest of the phone here. We don't have the blue, but essentially the same situation as this orange one for the blue. The back plate is colored more similarly to the actual frame of the phone. So that's the unboxing for the iPhone 17 Pro in the orange.